Good day everyone, welcome back to Larry's Fishing. We're back at the same spot we were in the last video where we caught the 3 pretty good sized carp. Not a lot of options with the lockdown going on, so just came back here. I got 2 hours to fish. We've got bread, corn and worms. See what we can do. So once again today I'm trying the high-low setup. So I've got bread on the bottom, corn on the top, with a bit of a heavy weight down low. Try and cast it out a bit. See if we can catch something. Hey, we finally hooked into something. Decent size. Not huge by any means, probably about 40 centimeters. But we're on the board. And we caught him on the bread. Oh, we hooked into another one. He's giving a decent pull. Oh Lord, is he? Oh shit, he got off. So I saw these guys on my way out fishing. I'll just give you a look. Rest of them taking off back in the bush. This big guy's just sitting there staring at me. Hello. Now, if he wanted to, he could hop over that fence with no problems whatsoever. But now he's going to go the other way, so that's good. It looks like he's got his little mate over here with him. Hello! There they go. It's just about time to go, and we got one on the worms. If I can land this one. He's pretty good size too. It's a carp. Sorry about as muddy as he is. He's probably in the mid-50s, but he's really fat. He pulled hard, so that was nice. Definitely not as big as the one I lost, but anyway, that's 2. That's better than none. Well, we caught that second one right at the buzzer. 2 hours goes by pretty quick in this lockdown. Not a big fan of it, but necessary. Still steaming about the one we lost though. So I will definitely get back here and get that chair out of the water. I just can't believe somebody just threw it in there, but what are you going to do? But anyway, good day fishing. Caught 2, so better than none anytime. And until next time, keep fishing.